Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can speed up your computer, gain a little bit performance back, and clear out some of the cache or the temporary system files that aren't being used anymore. So I'm going to show you a couple of manual methods so you can go to the directories and do it yourself, and then I'm going to show you a couple of system tools that you can use that will do everything for you automatically. So the first thing that you want to do is right click on the start menu and click on run. The first directory we're going to is this temp. So type in temp, press OK. This will take you to this directory in the Windows folder. So press Control A to select everything and then press the delete key on your keyboard. And these files are absolutely safe to delete. They're not being used and nothing needs them. So close this folder. Now right click on the start menu again, go to run, and then here type in %temp%, which is the next directory we're going to. Do the same thing, press Control A, delete. Now whatever files that it does not let you delete, don't worry about it. Check this checkbox and just press skip. Now let's go to the next directory. Right click on the start menu, go to run, and type in prefetch, and do the same thing. Press Control A, select everything in the folder, and press delete. And again, whatever it doesn't let you delete, press skip. Don't worry about it. It's something that's being used by a running application, so you can't delete it, so there's nothing to worry about. It's not taking up too much space. So those are the manual ways that you can clean up some of the most common folders that accumulate a lot of miscellaneous files and junk. Now the utility that I was talking about is a utility built into the operating system, and it's called clean mgr. So now when you open that up, check all the checkboxes on all these checklists going down, make sure everything is selected, and press OK. Now this utility is safe to it's safe to use to delete everything on the computer. It's not going to break anything. I've been using this for many number of years on people's computers at work, and it's never broken anything as far as I can remember, going back to 10 years since Windows XP days. So it's a very powerful and a simple utility that'll get all the files cleaned out for you automatically in one place. And if you wanted to, you can take it a step further by going back to the same utility and clicking on clean up system files and let it scan for everything. And this will actually let you clean up the system files that may no longer be used by the operating system either. And they're also safe to delete. Now with Windows 10 and Windows 11 having a couple of extra added features built into the operating system to manage it better, there's another place where you can go, and that is if you click on the start menu and go to settings. On the left, click on System, and then go down to the section that says Storage. Now this will show you the space being used by the apps that are installed on a system, and then the temporary files on the computer that you can delete. So you can select everything like these definitions by Microsoft Defender, thumbnails, temporary internet files. Also, the downloads folder, you could select that and have it cleaned up. Just keep in mind that whatever you have in a downloads folder, you will lose if you do select it. But you can select all these items, make sure there's a check on them, click remove files, and then it'll clear out your computer even further. So overall, collectively, these things should improve the performance of your computer, make it a little bit faster, and you can choose which route you want to take. And if you stuck around this long in the video, I appreciate you watching. I hope it helped. I hope it sped up your computer, and I'll see you in the next one.